Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Sham says there are enough oil stored in the oil depot. Urge people to stay calm. And 3 BSF personnel injured during a remote-control IED blast at Telepati and the Porampat police station in Imphal East district yesterday. A very good afternoon to you all. I'm Colonel Sambandharam presenting you the Sunday afternoon news. Now let's begin our bulletin with the top stories of today. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Sham says there are enough oil stored in the old depot and urge people to stay calm. Lauding people of Manipur for their self-sacrificing spirit to protect the integrity of the state, he asserted that no external force can disintegrate Manipur if we stand united against them. Minister Shyam Kumar was speaking at the inauguration of a newly constructed badminton turf court at Chajing Awang today. Speaking at the inaugural event held at Chajing Awang Community Hall today, Minister Shyam Kumar said that limited time period in the banking process owing to ceased work strike carried out on 31st of October and November 1st and the Kut festival has hindered the transportation of oil, leading to minimum distribution of petrol in oil pumps. He urged people to stop spreading hoax news which might lead to communal riot.
प्रजासिंसिना थाउस लेबा फंगरोदि मतागुम हेक्ट चंगलगा थाउस क्यूत लेपगा हेक्ट वार की टाइप तवे अदो आइना हाइनिंगिदि अखोई थाउ लेरिबा आइना थाउ दरकार लेत्रगदि थाउ लेबिगनोबा थाउ लेबा दरकार लेदु नाकी शॉर्टेज लेबदु अदि थाउ दु लेजेसनोबा आइगी फंगौरगा लोइरे हेक्ट फंगरोदि मतागुम तवबसे मच्ची हाइनबी चनबीसे अखोई मणिपुर की प्रजासिन होंदोपगी तंगाई फदब लैब अदु ngaकी पुंग अहुंगी मतुंगदा अखोई अकन इंस्ट्रक्शन पिरगा मणिपुर की प्रजासिन थाउ फंगरोई अदुना वाले हाइबा मतमदा पोट इलेक्शन की हाइनबीसे मसी वखलोन से ताबनेना लौदे अयाम तिनबिरिबा सभाना अयाम खंबिरंगनी मतम खरगी ममांगदा मणिपुर दा थुम फंगरोइना थुम बेग बेग इलेक्शन नबदो खंबिरंगनी ने सी अफब नते हाइबदी आइगी दरकार ओइबदुदा लौनना बहनबा आइगी दरकार की वामदा पोट लौसनबगी वखल
Handloom and Textiles Minister Thongamt Vishwarjit stressed the need to keep the environment clean for a developed state. He was speaking on the sideline of a cleanliness drive at Imphal West DC Office Junction in Naremthong Road today. Organizing Committee of Manipur International Textile Expo, Moneytext, held the drive in view of the second edition of Moneytext 2019, which aimed to promote and preserve the women weavers of the state, organized by Directorate of Handloom and Textile Government of Manipur from the 5th to 14th of November. Deputy Commissioner of Imphal West District, Naurem Praveen, also took part in the drive. Minister Vishwarjit urged everyone for their cooperation in keeping the surrounding neat and clean. It may be stated that altogether 12 foreign countries and representatives from 56 places of India will take part in the expo.
Ramdam Stellariba, Fish Habising, a Dugal Port of Godoriba, my point from the Lariba, NGOs in Punamak, Hamnare, Harakanda, Equina, Lebag Ama, Pavamasangulakwa, Habasilu, Bananba, Duga, Equiliba, Fijel, Chacha, the Punamak Sing Silo, Muxangi, Dunamasi, Quilariba, Pilongi, Oiro, Nadraga, Fashiongi, Oiro, Tuan, Mui, Kudimaxi, Equina, New India, Amasamukumatamda, Naharon Sinki, Dugan, section Kudimaki, involvement, Aquileminary, Harakanda Corporation, Amaga, Pinere, Harakana, Punamanga, Honaminaga, Apava, Leba Amasamuka, Amadi Apavanes, section Kudimakta, Equina, message of Mapira Kana, Lubananba, Amadi, Amata, Webagi, Quizzing the Chamina Kanda, Equina, Mapung Pavleva, Mashemzi, Having Pandam, Nasiki, Manitexki, Social Services, Takan Religi, Matunda, Masis
3 BSF personnel were injured during a remote-controlled IED blast around 11:40 p.m. at Telepati under Porampat police station in Imphal East district yesterday. The injured personnel are 54-year-old ASI's Lal Kumar, son of Antaram, 30-year-old Constable Koramt Mahindra, son of Shenlier, and 23-year-old Constable Santaram, son of Jashurani of 120th Battalion of Agartala BSF. According to Impact News sources, the incident occurred during the Ganga Puja festival while the BSF personnel were on patrol. A dispute also occurred between the people offering puja and another group of people before the incident. Police calmed the situation and the bomb blasted 2 minutes later. The injured personnel were rushed to Jennings Hospital for treatment. Details of the bomb blast still remain unknown. Residents of Telepathy condemned the incident, which happened during their religious ceremony. They further urged authority concerned not to carry out such incident in future. Parampat police station has registered a case and investigations are underway.
Pung tara mathoi makai muk taramani sida chauna makon kanna ma tholak pasida adu manak tu da security personnel ahum mari leiramme adu mi aniong khara soga haji gen hospital lai kannari adu puja marak sida sumai bomb blast ma tauri sidi okaina khara nungai ta khara pungdoi security se okai che di thajan bane security khara budi la ammi local police khara leirami okai saida bdf tabasu khara lei bsf khara security lapses su high gadra lapses khara di leire marak sida okaina application thaba se puja marak sida sidi okaina security fazana pbo high sp ga osi da su tharame moi team ama ni di leirame makata na khara su koi local security se khara thamna ba koi puja marak sida khara checksin thorang oina ko khara tobi aina koi police da sokana sum hai.
Member of Vaishya Youth Club, the VYC, today carried out a protest demonstration against the bomb blast by unknown miscreants at Telepathy and the Parampat police station in Imphal East district last midnight. Taking part in the protest, one protester strongly condemned the act and demanded public clarification about the incident at the earliest. He urged the state government to look into the matter and book the culprits involved in the incident without further delay.
बीएसएफ के 3 जवान घायल हो गए हैं, जो इसके लिए हम लोग बहुत दुखी हैं और ये बम ब्लास्ट किसने किया अभी तक कोई क्लेम नहीं आया, किस कारण किया ये हमें सूचना मिलना चाहिए और हमारे मणिपुर सरकार को भी इसको छानबीन करना जरूरी है.
Old Manipur mini drinking water tankers AMMDWT also carried out alert protest rally under Kokumi to disclose the details of the Indo-Naga peace talk. The rally started from the Kurai Saland bridge and went through various parts of Imphal West and East and concluded at the initial point. Various slogans were chanted in the rally. One protester warns of intense protest if the Indo-Naga peace talks ever harm the territorial integrity of Manipur. AMMDWT also extended their support in every initiatives of Kokumi.
करीगुंबा कोई भारत सरकार अमदी नेसेना एमना यासिनबदगी इरमद मणिपुर असिबु मसे ताना कायरकप तारगदी अखोई कोकोमीना लौरकपा थौदांग खुदिमक अखोई इसासु अमदी अखोई सिंग गाड़ी चलिबा पुमनमक अखोई सपोर्ट तौगनी नागा पिस्टोक अमदी इंडिया गा मेंगा पिस्टोक तौबु मतमदा मणिपुर गे खैसे कायगनी कायरो हाइबगी एक्जेक्टली कंफर्म ओइबा वाही मत भारत सरकार दी फोंदो पिरक्तबा अमदी अखोई तसेंगना मणिपुर से काहेन जनिंगदबा मणिपुर गे खै सोकबगी एग्रीमेंट याव मरम ओइरगा कैगुंबा एग्रीमेंट दुना मणिपुर सोलकपा तारगदी अखोई मदुदा सोलकपा दायता खुदिमक
Various Tata Magic passenger vehicles carried out a protest rally against threat to territorial integrity of Manipur with the finalization of Indo-Naga peace talks at Vishnupur district today. Around 50 Tata Magic vehicles took part in the rally organized by Vishnupur to Imphal Tata Magic Van Owner Driver Association along with Vishnupur Forest Gate Tata Association. The rally commenced from the Vishnupur Awang JV School and concluded at Nambol Chingmang. Well, now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Prime Minister Narendra Modi appealing the business leaders to invest in India. We will be back with details after the break. Until then, keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Sunday Afternoon News. Prime Minister Narendra Modi attended the celebration marking 50 years of operation of Aditya Birla Group in Thailand today. Chairman of the Aditya Birla Group, Shri Kumar Mangalam Birla, expressed his gratitude to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi for joining the group's Golden Jubilee celebration in Thailand. Narendra Modi made a strong appeal to the business leaders to invest in India, saying that this is the best time to be in the country. Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke about India's improved position in World Bank's Ease of Doing Business (EODB) ranking and said that many things are rising while others are falling. Ease of doing business, ease of living, FDI, forest cover, patient productivity and are rising while the tax rates, red tapeism, etc. are falling. He also emphasized that India and Thailand have strong cultural linkage and said that commerce and culture have inherent power to unite. In sports, Jamshedpur Football Club will lock horns with Bengaluru Football Club in a match of the ongoing 6th-sessioned Hero Indian Super League ISL 2019-20 at JRD Tata Sports Complex in Hyderabad tonight at 7:30 p.m. In yesterday's league match played at Hyderabad GMC Balayogi Athletic Stadium, Hyderabad beat Kerala Blasters by 2-1. For the winners, Marco Stankovic earned one penalty at 54th minute, while Marcelinho Leite Pereira scored one goal at 81st minute. The lone losing goal was scored by Rahul Scanile Praveen at 34th minute of the match. Well, that's all we have in this bulletin, but before we wind up, let's take a glimpse at the headlines once again. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shan says there are enough oil stored in the old depots. Urge people to stay calm. And 3 BSF personnel injured during a remote-controlled IED blast at Telepati under Purampatla Station in Imphal East District yesterday.